How to remove Capcut logo on video. So if you're using Capcut to edit your video, whether on Android or on iPhone, and you want to remove the Capcut logo at the end of the video, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete or remove the Capcut logo at the end of all your videos on your iPhone or Android, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut app. Now, once open the Capcut app, you can either start with a new project or click on the existing project. So open new project, then click on add. Once you added the new project to your Capcut timeline, automatically the Capcut logo will be added to it. That's why you see Capcut, tap to edit text. Now, to delete the Capcut logo, all you just need to do is click on it here, then tap delete at the bottom right. Then you should see the Capcut logo removed from your phone. However, if you want to permanently remove the Capcut logo without doing this on all your videos, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the settings icon at top right. Then once you click on the settings icon at top right, it should say add default ending enabled. So just come here and disable this. Then you should see that says discard ending, keep ending, or discard ending. And that is going to turn off Capcut logo each time you are editing on your Capcut app. So if you go back again, open another video, try to edit it. If you go to the back, then you should say the Capcut logo is no longer available. See that? So that is basically how to remove Capcut logo on videos on iPhone and Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.